Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13152 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2014 Kia Sorento. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 20 to 40 minutes, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, remove the spare tire to provide more room for the installation. Next, we will be lowering the exhaust. To do this, remove the 3 rubber isolators holding the exhaust in place. We recommend using a spray lubricant or soapy water mixture with a pry bar to ease the removal process. Remove the plastic underbody panels from each side located here. To do this, remove the 3 fascia screws from the passenger side. On the driver's side, there will be 4 fascia screws that need to be removed. Raise the hitch into position. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the included hex bolts and conical tooth washers. Insert the included carriage bolts through the driver's side plate of the hitch and frame rail. Secure with the included hex flange nuts. On the passenger side, insert the carriage bolts through the included spacer, the frame rail, and out through the passenger side plate of the hitch. Secure with the included hex flange nuts. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the exhaust, plastic underbody panels, and spare tire. That girl's got rhythm like a wet noodle. This completes the installation of the CURT 13152 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2014 Kia Sorento. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.